Alignment labels. Alignment labels allow us to display information about the alignment. That includes stations, offsets, geometry points, profile elevations, and more. To create an alignment label, first select the alignment, let's say Rose Drive. Then right-click and select Edit Alignment Labels. In the Alignment Labels window, add or remove alignment labels. You can also change the station labeling frequency. Among the types of labels you can add are major and minor labels, geometry points like the start of curves, end of curves, PIs, and the like, station equations for alignments that have them, design speeds if you are using a criteria-based design, profile geometry point labels that allow you to reference a specific profile information, including grade breaks, PVIs, vertical curves values, and much more. Finally, label superelevation critical points. If needed, you can also import a label set or save one for later use. Finally, click OK to close the label creation window. Labels and alignment tables. We can display the alignment entity's information in a tabular manner. This is particularly important for field stakeout. Let's assume a surveyor has requested the centerline information of the new Rose Drive. To create that information, we can select the alignment from the drawing. Then, run the Add Labels command and select multiple segments from the ribbon in the upper left corner. Click on the Rose Drive alignment when prompted to specify an alignment to label. The alignment labels now appear in the drawing. Another type of label we can create are station offset at selected points along the alignment. Station offsets are useful in referencing objects in relation to a survey baseline, for instance. Let's say we are required to provide the station/offset information of the proposed fire hydrant in the intersection area. Select the Rose Drive alignment. Next, run the station/offset command. Then click twice on the fire hydrant, the first time to determine the station and a second time to specify the offset. The station/offset label information for the fire hydrant will now appear in the drawing. If needed, you can move the labels to make the plan more readable. Alignments tables. Let's see how to create alignment label tables. They help us make construction plans more readable by not overloading the drawing with information. Instead of displaying every construction note, we can simply display smaller tags and reference them in a table for more details. Let's practice that. First, let's set up the table before we create the tags. We want to specify our label numbering scheme. Switch to the Settings tab of the tool space. Right-click on the name of the drawing and select Table Tag Numbering, and this brings up the Table Tag Numbering window. Reset all the numbers to 1, so that all lines, curves, and spirals start with the number 1. We also want to increment them by 1. Click OK to close the window. Next, select the Rose Drive alignment and then run the Add Segments command in the Add Tables drop-down menu. In the Alignment Table Creation window, keep all default styles and layers. Then choose to create the table by alignment. Then select the Rose Drive alignment. Click OK, and select an empty area in the drawing to insert the table. You will notice that our table doesn't necessarily start with label C1 for curves or L1 for line segments. That is simply because these labels were already used for the parcel segment labels, so the table uses the next available numbers. Next, to make the table easier to read, sort it in ascending tag number. Select the table, right-click, and choose Edit Table Style. In the Style Editor window, on the Data Properties tab, check the Sort Data case and choose by ascending order. Next, click OK to close the Tab Style Editing window. The curves and tangents are now sorted and display separately. If needed, the tags can be renumbered according to your preference. To renumber them, simply select the alignment in the drawing area. Then, on the ribbon, run the Renumber Tags command. Renumbering tags is typically done when all design is completed, and all tags in the drawings should be numbered in ascending order.